How to create a web client for this 3D project. Open DRTStreamer and create a cloud app. This 3D model developed by Unity, so I choose the type as Unity 3D. Set up configurations like concurrency. Browse for exe location. And now we copy this web link and paste it into a browser to visit. By breaking through device performance constraints. This lightweight web client allows seamless real-time interaction anytime and anywhere. It is well suited for demanding scenarios such as large-scale software platforms and 3D applications.